So I've made my shirt. I like to give it a good lint roll first. Now this is just staying within Canada. I send these Lettermail, so I just have a little envelope. I'm going to fold it up, I'm going to fold the arms in. Measure it to make sure it fits. And I'm happy with the size of it there. I take half a sheet of tissue paper. And I print these little care instruction labels on my label printer, and that's how I keep the tissue paper closed. This is just nice to have on the outside, so they see the important instructions right when they open it. And I've got an address label. Return address label. And the customer's address label. In order to go letter mail in Canada, it has to be less than 2 centimeters wide. So my onesies are always definitely less than 2 centimeters wide. Some of the bulkier things you really have to pack in properly. Okay, I'm going to put in a business card. I also like to write a little personalized handmade note, and I also give them information about a coupon code that our shop has that allows them to save 15% off their next purchase, so I'm just going to go ahead and write that. And I like to make sure that this will stay closed with just another sticker. Just with another sticker on each side. There we go. In the mail with a stamp tomorrow.